Hi, it's been a while. I've been looking at tools again, and I've recently bought this. It's supposed to be like a nail gun type thing, and it has these things that go in it, cartridges, which are supposed to fix things onto bricks. You know, the normal way is drill a hole, put a raw plug in it, put a screw in, but I saw this and I thought, this is what it is. A powerful concrete nail gun, air nailer, fastening tool with 50 round of nails, which is what I've got. Let's say you. Right, what it is, I want to fit an outside double socket, and I want to use that tool. Here it is. Like the lists, got to be safe, ear defenders, because it's supposed to be loud. So I'm going to put this box on the wall using this thing. Here we go. Gloves come with it. This is the thing. All it does. Put the end in. And supposedly put this where you want it. Pump it on. Wow. That was loud. Let's put another one on. It's straight. Two more. Wow, it's blown the lids off. It's blown the lids off. That is amazing. Sounds like a gun. Oh my god. And it's, you can see, it's put it on. It's on, and it blew all the pressure, blew all the ends out. Look, it's burned. Does it work? Yeah, but be careful, my god, it is loud and powerful. It's amazing because I have a terrible experience with buying these things on the internet. Usually they are crap, but this is really great. Okay, this is the reason why I was putting the box on. It's because I wanted outdoor socket. See, it's all working. Excellent. So now I have outdoor cable without running an extension lead. You see it's all protected. Got 2 circuits. Prove the alarm's working. Yep. Both working. One of the most enjoyable DIY jobs I've ever done. Sorry, to act like a big child, but explosions. So these things, this must be an explosive charge. Cool. This thing is so much fun. Buy one, you won't regret it. Cool.